What is going on, guys? Thank you for checking in to once again another video. Now, if I'm going to be taking this to the Sundown show, this car needs to be at least somewhat show ready. And as you can see right here, we are definitely not show ready. So I went ahead and ordered some new lights, a new bracket in here, a bumper, some other things. So we're going to be pulling it out, kind of seeing what else needs to be done, and hopefully getting some of this fixed today. Let's get right into it. Thank you guys so much for checking in to this video. A little bit different today, doing some fixing up on the old Project Sequoia. Got to get this thing at least looking half decent. Now, it's not going to look great. It really needs a paint and a bunch of other stuff, but at least we can get some of this fixed up. Also, I have ordered the speakers for the doors. I'll go over those when they come in, and we'll do a video on building the door panels. That'll be awesome. In the front two doors, we're gonna have 4 6.5-inch speakers per door, and also 4 super tweeters per door. So that should be absolutely awesome. Cannot wait to have that done, guys. I am also going over some options of subs to put in that thing. Can't say anything yet, but again, as soon as I have that figured out and those come in, I'll be showing y'all that as well. Now, this front end has always looked a little rough since I got this car. Over here, you can see this light is busted. Something happened. These lights look absolutely terrible anyway, and there was a crack right there. But then last fall, had a little run-in with a deer, and that really messed up everything else here. Now, I didn't get it fixed then because we were coming up on winter, and I figured my luck I'd slide off on the road or something like that. So, time to get it done now before the show. So we're gonna get into it. When I got in the collision, it pushed this quarter panel just a teeny bit back. So whenever I open it, makes a little popping noise as the door rubs on the fender. So we're probably gonna pull the fender out and just shift it forward a little bit so it doesn't rub. But overall, it's gonna look a lot better. Over here is that bracket piece. Nice and brand new over there. That guy was like 30 bucks. And then I got some new headlights. These things look really awesome. They have the black in the back. I think it'll just make it look a whole lot better. Cannot wait to get these on. Gonna make it look awesome. Hopefully they fit well and everything bolts right up. These guys are only like 130 bucks, so not bad at all. Now the bumper is not in yet, but there's a ton of other work I gotta do to get everything ready for the bumper. So that's what we're gonna do today. Pull everything out. Hopefully unbend anything that needs to be unbent. Get that new bracket on. Get my quarter panel fixed. Get the new headlights in. And then I think as soon as the bumper shows up, we can just put her right on. Bumper is off. Fortunately, this piece of foam, which is just kind of a low impact brace, is totally fine, so we are good there. Of course, the bumper is all kinds of tore up. This crash beam right here, totally fine as well. You can see this guy right here is bent in. Hopefully we can kind of bend that back out into place. But yeah, got to get this guy off, bend this back out, and hopefully we can put the new piece on and it'll be all right. So far, so good. I got this guy kind of bent back out. I got this guy straightened back out. This guy straightened back out over here. This guy straightened back out. I test fit the piece that goes there. Seems to be pretty close. So next thing we got to do is we got to unbolt this fender and see if we can slide it forward a little bit. That ended up being way easier than I thought. Check this out, guys. It's been so annoying with that popping sound, but now clears it no problem. Okay, we can put those bolts back in so that fender will be secure and we will be done there. So excited. I was afraid I might have to take the whole fender off and rebend some tabs or something, but we are good, so I can do that. I'm gonna put that little piece right in there, and then we can test fit the new headlights. This piece is on and secured. Guys, that is huge. I was really worried about getting all this to line up, but honestly, it went pretty easily. No big complaints. Now, one thing I'm still missing to get this side completely done is this piece right here. It's supposed to be here in a few days, so once I get that on, we're gonna have the lights and everything completely done and good to go. Here is the old, guys, and up here, look at how much better this looks. Overall, pretty impressed. All the screws lined up pretty easily. You see there's a teeny bit of a gap there, but honestly, for a 15-year-old car that's been bumped up a little bit, it really isn't that bad at all. I'm pretty happy with this, guys. I got these as close as I think I can get it. There's still a little bit of a gap right there. I had to go back here and bend this whole part of the metal, force it out as much as I could, but I couldn't quite get it all the way. You can see right there, it still bends in just a little bit, but guys, it's gonna be a huge improvement over what it was. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and hook it up and leave it like that. Got everything on, looking pretty good. Do got to replace that bulb down there. Not bad for some budget lights. It'll be another week before the new bumper shows up, so threw the old one back on. Cannot wait to have this done with. Of course, all I need is that one more piece right there and then the new bumper, and we'll have this at least more or less done. But this looks so much better. The lights actually fit pretty decently on this side now. Of course, the lines are not perfect or anything, but it just fits so much better. The door does not scrape on the quarter panel anymore, and we have nice looking lights. These look so much better than the old lights that we used to have. Thank you for watching this update on the build we're doing for the Sundown Audio Show here in August. Trying to get as early of a start on it as I can so I can do plenty of stuff. This just happened to be the first stuff that came in, so figured I would go ahead and knock it out because I knew it would take some time and be a pain, as it was. But we are on the road to getting this thing looking better, and here soon, sounding better. Guys, that's going to do it. Stay tuned for more videos here soon. Got some more review videos and some more build videos as soon as stuff starts coming in. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.